Hi guys, for today's video, we're going to make chicken adobo with potatoes. The first procedure is peel the onion and garlic and slice them into small pieces. Next, peel the potatoes and cut them into cubes. Slice the chicken and place it on a plate. These are the ingredients. I started to saute potatoes, and after that I set aside the ingredients for a minute. I saute the onion and garlic, and then I add the chicken, and I cook this for 3 to 4 minutes, ensuring that the chicken is cooked properly. And then I add the potatoes that I sauteed first, and also I add vinegar and water. I also season with salt and pepper and laurel. Simmer 10 to 12 minutes and then serve hot. Well done! Here's the chicken adobo with potatoes. Enjoy your meal!